morning to all. All of you ready for listening our maths class? Which is our previous class we are discussing? Which topic? We are discussing the last class. Which one? Okay. One number, different form. One number, different form. All are doing that homework also? Okay. All of you listen well and your work already want to do. We already completed that days also. Okay. Let's start our portion. One time revising that previous class. Which one is next previous topic? One number, different forms. Okay. What is our topic? One number, different form. Okay. One number is given and want to write in different forms. Okay. The previous class we want to do that number already given. Number already given. Now we are discussing the another type. That number didn't given. Only one box is given. We want to find out that number. Which is that number? That number is hiding one box. Okay. Understood? The previous class we already same portion discussed. That question already given. That number, that is 6-digit or 7-digit number already given. You want to write in different forms. You want to write in different forms. Today we are discussing that another type. That a number didn't give. You want to find out. You want to find out. Okay. Listen the board. Number didn't given. That number is dash. Number is dash. How can identify the number? How can identify the number? You look dash ones, dash 100, dash 10,000, dash lakhs. Next one, dash ones, dash tens, dash 10,000 and dash lakhs. Third column, dash tens and dash ones. How can write? How can identify that number? One box, that number, one clue is given. That one box, look one box. That left side given one box, that one clue is given. What is the number? How many ones? 6 ones. Where want to write 6? 6 ones. How many tens? 3 tens. 3 tens and 4,800. How many hundred? 4,800. 4,800 and 2 10,000. 2 10,000 and 3 lakhs. Understood? That number, that previous question again repeated. That method some different. Method is some different. That already discussing the previous class. That number already given. You want to write in different forms. Today we are discussing that another type. That time number didn't given. Only given that some clues only. One box is given that have some clues. Okay. Easy for identifying that number? Easy? What is the number? What is the number name? 3,24,836. What is the number? How can read it? 3,24,836. Which box is given? One box is given. What is the arrangement of that number? 6 ones, 3 tens, 4,800, 2 10,000 and 3 lakhs. Once again, 6 ones, 3 tens, 4,800, 2 10,000, 3 lakh. Okay, we got that 6-digit number. What is the number name? 3,24,836. 836. Okay. Next to your duty. What is? Fill up the other columns, other boxes. Are you ready for completing your other boxes? Okay, do it. Don't look the board. I also writing now, but don't look the board. You do yourself. Okay, ready? Do it. Don't for waiting. Do yourself. Okay. How many ones? How many ones? First column, ones, dash hundreds, and dash 10,000 and lakhs. Then how didn't ask tens? Didn't ask tens. How can write? 10 is don't asking 10. Next one is asking 100. How can write? How can write? Ones and 100. Next one, what to write? 36 ones. Already discussing that the previous class. Therefore, don't ask tens. That's why 36 ones. 36 ones. Next one, 100. How many hundreds? How many hundreds? Already given 48 hundreds. How many hundreds? 48 hundreds. How many hundreds? 48 hundreds. Next one asking how many 10,000? How many 10,000? That also your box have how many 10,000? 2 10,000. And how many lakhs? 3 lakhs. How many lakhs? 3 lakhs. Okay. Look at the board. Your answer and my answer is correct. Anybody have wrong answer got? Correct it. Okay. How can write 36 ones? How can get a 36 ones? Didn't ask tens. That's why 1 and 10 want to write it together. 36 ones. Okay. 36 ones. Next one 100 asking. 100 is given 48. 100. Next one. How many 10,000? 2 10,000. How many lakh? 3 lakh. Correct? Next one again. How many ones? How many ones? Look at our number box. No need to look at clue box. Only look our, you got the number already? Look our number. How many ones? 6 ones. How many tens? How many tens? There how didn't ask 100. That's why 100 and tens want to write in together. Why? Didn't ask third box. Didn't ask 100. Didn't ask 100. That's why 110 want to write together. Okay. How many tens? 83 tens. How many tens? 83 tens. Next one. How many 10,000? 1,000 also didn't ask. 1,000 also didn't ask. That's why 483 right. 483 tens. Next one. How many 10,000? How many 10,000? 2 10,000. How many 10,000? 2 10,000. 4 also 1,000. But there have no 10,000. 4 have only 1,000. There have no 10,000. That's why 4, 8, 3 want to write in together tens. Okay. You have any doubt? Check it. 3 tens, 30. 3 tens, 30. 8. What is the place value of 8? 100 place value. 8 tens means 8 tens means 83. There have 83 tens. 83 tens means 80 into 10. 80 into 10 is equal to 800. Next one, 4. What is the place value of 4? 1,000. There have 100 place value. 100 place 4. 4 into 10, 40. 400 into 10 is equal to 4,000. Okay. Next one, how many lakh? 3 lakh. How many lakh? 3 lakh. Okay. Next one, very easy. Easy box. How many ones? How many tens? How many ones? 6 ones. How many ones? 6 ones. And other all numbers want to write 32, 483. 483. That all number want to write together in tens column. Tens. Okay. All of you finish? All of you finish? How many students got full correct answer? All box correct? Okay. want to inform me after the class. Understood? I will explain once more. In this question is another method, another model. What is the special about this question? The number didn't give. The number didn't give. Only given one clue box. Which box? Clue box. That helping box is given. That using that box, you want to find out the number. Okay. You want to find out the largest 6-digit number. 6-digit number, large number is given. You want to find out that number. Okay. How can find out? First one, arranging that number. First one, 6 ones. 1 to write, once place 6 write. Next one, 3 tens. Where is the place of tens? 1 after. One's place after tens. How many tens? 3. 3 tens. Next one, 100. 100 place have 48 is given. 48. What is 4800 means? How many? 4800. 40 into 100. 48 into 100. What is the answer? 4800. 4800. What is the place value of 100? 8. What is the place value of 4000? Okay. That's why you got a 48. Next one, 10,000 is given. How many 10,000? 2 10,000. Next one, simply. How many lakh? 3 lakh. Okay. With the help of other numbers also want to fill it. I think all of you understood. Okay. Anybody didn't get this answer? Write down now. Okay, finish. I will give another one problem for homework through WhatsApp. Okay. Next one, we want to discussing other topic. Okay. What is our number name? What is our number name? Number world. Number world. In this chapter, we want to play so many games using numbers. In this chapter, we want to play with the numbers. Just like a game is this. Let's make a number. Make a large number. Make a number means large number. Now I give one 4-digit number. Now I give a 4-digit number. 4, 8, 2, 9. 4, 8, 2, 9. Want to make a largest number. Want to make a largest number. How can make a largest number? How can make a largest number? Numbers are arranged in a which model? Descending order. Okay. Numbers are arranging in the descending order. What do you mean by descending order? Big to small. Okay. 9, 8, 4, 2. Next one. How can that time you got a large number? Next one, ascending order. Numbers are arranging in ascending order. How can got a small to big? That which one is a small number? 2, 4, 8, 9. That time you got a small number. Already studied in small classes. How can make a large number and a small number? Next one, find out the sum and difference of that numbers. What is the question? Sum and difference of that numbers. This is the question. What is the question? One 4-digit number or 6-digit number is given. You want to find out the largest number and smallest number. Next one, find out the sum and difference of these numbers. What do you mean by sum? How can get a sum? That numbers are adding. That time you got the answer. That is called a sum. What is the difference? What is the difference? When you subtract that numbers. When you subtract that numbers, you got one answer that is called the difference of that numbers. Okay, difference of that numbers. First one, find out the sum of that numbers. What is the answer? Sum, find out. 9, 8, 4, 2 plus 2, 4, 8, 9. Okay. Next time we want to listen that one. How can difference find out? How can difference find out? When you subtract two numbers, in the case of subtracting time, always using that largest number want to write firstly. From largest number want to subtract the smallest number. Okay, all of you listen. Otherwise, your answer will wrong. Okay, what is the answer? 8 plus 2, 11. Balance 1, 8 plus 4, 12 plus 1, 13. Next one, again. Your answer is 12,331. 12,331. Okay, next one. What is the second question? Find out sum. Now you got sum. Next one is difference. Find out difference. Which number want to write firstly? 9,842 minus 2,489. How can? You know how can borrow that numbers? All of you know addition and subtraction. In this year, we want to study addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Which situation you want to use that 4 operations? These are the basic operations in mathematics. Understood? Which are the basic mathematics operations? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. All of you know multiplication table well? Next class, I will ask some questions connected with the multiplication table. All of you read every day. Okay. What is the answer you got? 3. Next one, 4, 13. 5. Next one, 3. 7. What is the answer you got? Hmm. 7,353. Okay. All of you got answer? Finish? Our first play is over. What is the first play? 1 4-digit now 1 4 numbers is given. 4 numbers is given. That numbers want to using make a largest number and a smallest number. Next one, find out the sum and difference of the number. Sum and difference of the number. This is a sure question in our examination time. Okay. All of you understood this topic? Next one, another game. What is the another game, you know? This is the new topic also. You didn't hear that name. What is the name? Palindromic numbers. What is the name? Palindromic numbers. What is the palindromic numbers? What is the palindromic numbers, you know? What's a number which read the same both forward and backward? Such numbers are called palindromic numbers. What is a palindromic numbers? That number same. That same both forward and backward. That type of number is called a palindromic number. For example, 545. 545. What is special about that number? That is two part. That backward and frontward. That numbers are same. 363. What is the name? What is the special about? Backward and frontward numbers are same. That type of number, how can make it? How can make it? What is the name of that number? Palindromic number. What's the name? Palindromic number. In our textbook, how that? Okay. Want to read it well? That I will send that page. The number which read the same both forward and backward, such as numbers are called palindromic numbers. Such numbers are called palindromic numbers. Some examples are given. You want to find out another numbers using. How can find out? Firstly, I take 28. Which number I take? 28. That number, second one, that number is reverse order. Write into reverse order. 28, just reverse. What number you got? 82. Which number is you got? 82. What is the answer? What is the answer? 8 plus 2, 10. Balance 1. 8 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Again, reverse it. That number, want to reverse it. 0, 110. Reversing time, what you got? 0, 1, 1. And adding time you got 121. 121. How can find out? 28. First number is 28. That 28 just reverse. How can? What is the reverse form? 82. And find out the sum of these numbers. Sum of these numbers. What is the answer? 8 plus 2, 10. Balance 1, 10 plus 11, 10 plus 2, 10 plus 1, 11. Again, reverse it. 110 reversing time, 0, 1, 1. Add 1, 2, 1. Which type of number you got? That backward and forward numbers are same. That number is called a palindromic number. That number is called a palindromic number. Next one again, another number. 69. Another number, 69. How can write 69? 69. Number is 69. Just reverse it. What is the answer? 96. 96. How can add? 9 plus 6, 15. Balance 1. Again, you got 16. 165. Again, reverse it. 5, 6, 1. 5, 6, 1. What is the answer? 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. Balance 1, 726. Again, 6, 2, 7. Three, 5, 3, 1. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 8. Now you got 48 for 84. You got 4, 4, 8, 8. Which type of number you got? A palindromic number. Some more examples are, I give one. You want to do yourself this type of numbers. Find out another 2-digit number or 3-digit number you want to write in reverse order and add that time you got palindromic numbers. That also want to find out. Okay. Which are the games today you are playing? We are playing which are the games? Next one, first one. Let's make a numbers. Just make a largest number, 4-digit number or 6-digit number. Which type of number is given? You want to make it a large number and a small number. Large number and a small number. After, find out sum and a difference. Sum and a difference. After, make it sum and a difference. Okay. Next one. Which one is another game? New term, palindromic number. What is the name? Palindromic number. What is a palindromic number? Same number where the backward and forward of the number. That type of number is called a palindromic number. Very easy topic that. Very easy. Want to doing some more connected problems also. Okay. We want to see next class again. Thank you.